Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that he was journeying on his camel, which had got exhausted. So Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu intended to get rid of it. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam caught up with me, made supplication for me, and gave it a hit. Then that camel moved so fast that it never had moved so fast. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Sell it to me for 1 uqiyah, 40 dirham." I submitted, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Sell it to me." I then sold that camel for 1 uqiyah on the condition that I would ride it to my house. When I reached my house, I took the camel to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave me the price by making prompt payment. When I had returned, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a man after me and said, "Did you think that I paid you low price for your camel? Take this camel, and these dirhams are also yours." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4074.